Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 bench grinders. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, MD 3212 15-inch grinder. Specifications. Brand name, Sonic. Power source, electricity. Rated voltage, 220V. Disc bore diameter, 16 mm. Disc diameter, 125 mm. No load speed, 2,956 revolutions per minute. Rated input power, 180 watts. Dimensions, 37 x 1928 centimeters. Frequency, 50 Hz. Weight, 4.5 kilograms. The item number 2 is 150 watts bench versatility grinder. Specifications. Brand name, duty-free. Power source, electricity. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Disc diameter, 100 mm. No load speed, 0.1000 R per minute. Rated input power, 150 watts. Dimensions, 120 x 140 150 mm. Frequency, 50/60 Hz. Weight, 4 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have H8 8-inch low-speed water-cooled knife sharpener. Specifications. Brand name, aliexpress. Power source, electricity. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Rated input power, 200 watts. Dimensions, 310 x 240 270 mm. Frequency, 50 Hz. Voltage, 220 volts. Power, 200 watts. Speed, 30 to 150 revolutions per minute. Grinding wheel diameter, 240 mm. Spindle diameter, 12 mm. Grinding wheel mesh, 220 mesh. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.